So it's starting to get hot here in Arizona, so Deb and I are going to drive about a mile high in altitude to Prescott, Arizona, and enjoy the beautiful 70-degree weather at Warson Lake. So when you're out driving, you never know what you're going to find. We stumbled across a neat little place called Dewey Humboldt, Arizona while driving along Arizona 69, and I think we just might have to come back and check this place out a little bit later on. But let's get up at Warson Lake. Hey everybody, welcome to Prescott, Arizona, and we are hiking around Warson Lake. So I'm about to take a 3-week trip up into Canada and South Korea. So my wife and I are trying to just get a little bit of time together before I take off. So let's go enjoy this hike. Well, here's something you don't see often in Arizona. Well, I think both my wife and I were pleasantly surprised. This is a beautiful area. So we're heading up towards the dam right now, and you can see this is a really rugged trail. So we're going to try and get through this part because we might have our first wildlife sighting. But it's a skunk, so we're hoping not to see it. This is probably not what you expected out of Arizona. So we both decided that this is a really good workout. Well, it took us about 3 hours, but I think we're out of the really rugged area and heading into the nice, easy hiking. It's not every day you get to walk with huge green trees in this state. And of course, you know, I had to take some pictures along the way. I hope you enjoyed joining Deb and I on this little hike here at Warson Lake. Click that subscribe button because guess what? Next episode, we're leaving for Korea.